constituency, Shri Kermen Shilla. From West Dania Hills district, we have 5 candidates. From 1 Nartiang constituency, Shri Dawan Lingdo. From 2 Joai constituency, Shri Moonlight Paryat. From 3 Raliang constituency, Shri J. Trailang Suchang. From 4 Mukayao constituency, Shri Nujorki Sungo. From 7 Amlarem constituency, Shri Lakman Rumbui. From Ribhoi district, we have 3 candidates. From 8 Mahati constituency, Shri Bayahon Lang Makdo. From 10 Jirang constituency, Shri Badhok Nongmale. From 11 Umsning constituency, Shri Sunshine Makri. From East Khasi district, from 13 Mawphlang constituency, Dr. Usafi Switson Jirwa. From 20 Milliam constituency, Shri Mitchell Wankar. From 23 Soyong constituency, Shri HDR Lingdo. From 25 Mausanram constituency, Shri Olan Singh Sun. From 26 Shela constituency, Shri Balajit Kupar Sinrem. From 27 Punursla constituency, Shri Anthony Khongwang. From 28 Sora constituency, Shri Tito Starwell Khan. From 29 Maukanro constituency, Shri Remington Pengro. So altogether 8 candidates. From 32 Nongson constituency, Shri Polestar Nongsit. Then we come to East and West Khasi Hills district. From 31 Mauthat Rashan constituency, Shri Brolding Nongsit. From 30 Mairang constituency, Shri Medba Lingdo. And then we come to Southwest Khasi Hills. From 35 Ranikor constituency, Shri Pius Marwin. Then we come to Shillong City. From 17 North Shillong constituency, Dr. Amanwar. From 18 West Shillong, Shri Paul Lingdo. From 21 Nongthamai constituency, Dr. Jemino Mautho. And then we have 3 candidates as of 7 Kharkuta constituency, Shri Ludeberg C.H. Momin. From 38 Mendipathar constituency, Shri Subroto G. Marak. From 39 Resubelpara constituency, Shri Tapoish D. Marak. From 40 Bajangdova constituency, Shri Rakman C.H. Marak. And then we have from East Garo Hills district, from 42 Rongjeng constituency, Shri Andreas G. Momin. And then Southwest Garo Hills, we have from 55 Salman Para constituency, Shri Ronald Rickman Sangma. And then we have from West Garo Hills district 2 candidates. From 57 Dalu constituency, Shri Kenneth R. Sangma. And we have from 47 Rajabala constituency, Shri Ashahel D. Shira.